Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book cab on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Open up Google Maps and here you have to select the location where you want to go. Then you have to go on directions. Once you hit on direction, then you will see this type of map over the screen. Okay guys, once you reach to this page, you will see some of options over here. If you hit any of option over here, then you will see some of icon over here and you can book your cab by the help of these options. For now, I don't have any of option over here because I don't have any of service right now, but you can find and book your cab by follow these simple steps. So that's it guys, how to book cab on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.